What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 1998 Suzuki Marauder. This is the 800, guys. This is a nice starter bike for anybody. It is a 1998, 20 years old. I mean, it is definitely not perfect. Actually, tail looks decent. It's got some scratches, if you can see those. It's got this really nice big old Mustang seat on it. A couple little scuffs along there. Tires are in good shape. Guys, that's one big thing with starter bikes, obviously. Get something with good tires that you can just start riding right away, kick it into gear. Don't stick too much money into your starter bike because you probably won't have it that long. There's a slight dent in the tank right there, if you can see that. It's all in pretty good shape. It's got these forward jacking, forward controls, or whatever the heck. I've had those before. They're not bad. A few taller guys, they're way nicer to have. There's the scratch there. Looks like it has a crack in the fender, if you can see that. Right there, and then it's on the other side right there. Not a huge deal. It doesn't really hurt the bike at all. Really good tread on the front tire. Scuffs all on that front fender. Not a huge deal, guys, like I said. Scuff on the tank. A couple little dents and scuffs on the tank. You can see those right there. Not big deals. This is your starter bike. This is not a show bike necessarily, unless you wanted to make it one. I don't know how many prizes you would win with it being this way, but it's a great starter bike. Like I said, that little dent in the tank. Let's fire this beast up. Oh, Suzuki, hate him. Start it right away, guys. Great little starter bike, guys. Like I said, fires up right away. It runs good. It's going to be super cheap. It has 22,552 miles on it. Guys, that's nothing. It's got good tread on the tires. It runs. It's got forward controls for you bigger guys. Like I said, 1998 Suzuki Marauder. This bike's going to be crazy cheap, guys. Get it before it's gone. I'll ship it anywhere in the United States for you. And yeah, thanks so for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as check out the Srkcycles.com. Check out the YouTube channels, and also check us out on Instagram at Srkcycles. Thanks, for watching, guys.